But because he works full-time at the office, he never found enough time to learn how to do it. He missed out on investing in Amazon. He missed out on investing in Bitcoin and gold.
Because he didn't understand the market. But now, he started trading because he found WeCopyTrade.
It is a social network for traders that allows him to skip the years of learning the financial market and copy the most successful investors. He checks top profiles to see their success rates, returns, and risk assessment, and then he chooses to copy. It automatically mirrors all of their investments. So if they get a 10% return, he gains a 10% return as well. Investment news will be updated and shared on the traders community and social network so that he can keep track of all the market information.
WeCopyTrade. At WeCopy FinTech Inc., we are proud to be one of the leading companies in the field of marketing and technology. Established in 2024, our mission is to provide breakthrough marketing and technology solutions, helping customers improve business efficiency and reach their target audience in the most effective way. Our motto is quick, economical, and efficient. We provide a wide range of services from UI/UX design, web development, mobile development to IT outsourcing. We are proud to have cooperated with hundreds of customers globally, bringing remarkable success to their projects. Let WeCopy FinTech Inc. make a difference for you. Contact us today. WeCopyTrade.
Are you struggling with trading in the financial markets? Losing money as well as losing sleep every night because you don't have the time for research to keep yourself updated. The lack of experience and knowledge is the reason for your poor performance. Don't worry. I might be able to help you.
How? And who are you?
They call me WeCopyTrade. Now let me introduce you to John and his friends. They are all professional traders. They spend years trading, investing, and researching the market.
Okay, so how can you help me?
With my help, you can now connect to John and his friends and copy all their strategies.
Oh, how will this work exactly?
Oh, it's very simple.
Welcome back with WeMasterTrade family. It's me, Eden here, and I'm beyond excited to be with you today for another incredible live session. I believe that whether you've been with us for a while or this is your first time joining, buckle up because we've got a jam-packed section full of insights, strategies, and the kind of tips that will take your trading game from, to a whole new level. Okay, so let's get some love in the chat, drop your favorite emoji, hit that like button, and let me see where you're tuning in from, whether it's New York, London, Tokyo, or anywhere between. We want to hear from you. The WeMasterTrade community, it's global, and today we are all in it together. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and stay in the loop for all the tips and tricks that will help you level up. Alright, so I'm loving the energy already. We've got traders tuning in from all over the world, and it's awesome to see that everyone coming together to share, learn and grow. So let's keep that momentum going because today's session is going to be next level. We've got some special guests here who are, here to share their strategies and stories and help them rise to the top of the game. So trust me, you don't want to miss a single word. Okay, so first up, I have the honor of introducing Ralph, a absolute beast in the Forex market, and Ralph has been mastering Forex trading for over 2 years and a half, so he's here to share some serious valuable insight with all of you. So Ralph, how's it going today?
Hi Aiden, I'm feeling fantastic and thrilled to be here. It's always wonderful to engage with the WeMasterTrade community and discuss the successful approaches I recently adopted. I'm eager to delve into some of the strategies I've been applying in the Forex market.
I love that energy, Ralph. And I know that all audience is pumped to hear all about your Forex journey. But before we get into that, let's not forget about our next guest, Scarlett. So Scarlett's been dominating the fund trading scenes, especially in the high-stakes world of crypto and stocks. So Scarlett, how's it going?
Hi, Aidan. I'm equally excited to be here. This session always offers fresh topic for discussion, and today I'm thrilled to share some of the strategies that have been effective for me in fund trading. It's going to be an engaging session.
So that's what we'd love to hear. So for everyone watching, make sure that you've got your notepad ready because Ralph and Scarlett are about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. So we'll be diving deep into their experiences, challenges, and the strategies that will help them fly in the fast-paced world of fund trading. All right, Ralph, let's kick things up with you. You've been trading Forex for over a year and a half now, and I know that the Forex market can be a bit of a roller coaster. So can you tell us how you got your start in Forex trading and what led you, to choose WeMasterTrade as your platform?
Well, certainly, Adam. So I began Forex trading for about 2 years ago, and what captivated me initially was the market vibrancies and perpetual activity. The Forex market is exceptionally dynamic, and I was attracted to the concept that there is ongoing potential for success regardless of the circumstances. When I first discovered WeMasterTrade, it immediately resonated with me as the perfect match. The resources they provide, including sophisticated technical analysis and access to real-time data, truly impressed me. However, it was the community aspect that clinched for me. WeMasterTrade places a strong emphasis on aiding trader success by offering essential tools and support to advance, regardless of your starting point.
So that's fantastic, Ralph. It sounds like WeMasterTrade has really helped you evaluate your game. Now, Forex is known for its volatility, and sometimes that can make or break a trader. So how do you handle the ups and downs of the market, without letting the pressure get to you?
Well, that's a great question. Volatility can be challenging, but it's also where the real opportunities are. The key is having a solid risk management plan. I always say you have to respect the risk. It's important to stay disciplined, and WeMasterTrade risk management tools help me do that. The real-time alerts and customizable risk parameters allow me to react quickly but with control. When the market moves fast, you have to stay calm, trust your strategy, and not let emotion take over. And for me, that's where WeMasterTrade features really shine.
So that is some serious value insight about managing risks and staying cool under pressure is definitely key in Forex trading. Now, Scarlett, let's switch gears to fund trading. You've been crushing it for nearly 2 years, specializing in long-term strategies. So can you tell us what drew you to fund trading and how it differs from other forms of trading?
Yes, absolutely. Adam, fund trading resolves around strategic, long-term growth. It's not about seeking quick wins, but constructing a portfolio that can steadily advance over time. What truly distinguishes fund trading is the need to consider both short-term and long-term perspectives. Careful risk management is crucial, while simultaneously keeping an eye out of emerging opportunities. WeMasterTrade real data and analysis tools have been instrumental in achieving this balance. They enable me to make a well-informed decision that align with my long-term strategy, even when the market presents unexpected challenges.
I love that fund trading definitely seems like it requires a lot of patience and foresight. So Scarlett, how do you stay focused on the bigger picture, especially when the market gets rocky?
Well, patience is paramount in fund trading. The market experiences fluctuation, but short-term ups and downs shouldn't dictate your long-term strategy. A crucial lesson I've learned is to maintain emotional detachment. Don't get overly excited when things are going well, and don't panic when the market dips. WeMasterTrade's risk management tools assist me in staying disciplined, even during volatile. I can set precise risk parameters and have peace of mind knowing that I'm not overexposed, even when the market behaves unpredictably.
So that is such solid advice. Keeping your emotion in check is definitely a big part of being successful in fund trading. So you both have shared some serious gems so far, but let's talk about the tools that have helped you, get to where you are today. So Ralph, can you share one specific features of WeMasterTrade that's been like a game changer for you in Forex?
Well, definitely. You see, a tool I absolutely rely on is the account insight features. and it's offered up to the minute data on how my account is performing, and I use it to observe patterns, evaluate my trades, and make better informed choices. And whether I'm pinpointing the best time to enter the market or deciphering market trends, this tool gives me an edge. It has enabled me to spot opportunities that I might not have noticed otherwise.
So that sounds like a total game changer. Having that real-time insights is crucial, especially when you need to make quick decisions. So Scott, how about you? What's been your go-to tool in fund trading?
Well, for me, it's all about the risk management tools. They allow me to customize the amount of risk I'm willing to take on any trade. This has been key for me, especially in volatile markets like crypto. WeMasterTrade helps me stay disciplined and in control, ensuring that I never take on more risk than I'm comfortable with. That's what keeps me grounded, even when the market is going wild.
So risk management is really important, especially in today's fast-moving markets. Whether you're in the Forex or fund trading, having the right tools makes a world of difference. And I hope that everyone's taking notes, because Ralph and Scarlett are dropping some serious port level insight today. Alright traders, we are kicking things up a notch because it's time to dive into one of the most powerful features here at WeMasterTrade, the package comparisons. So whether you're a fresh pay newbie, eager to get your feet wet, or a seasoned pro looking to scale your game to new heights, this segment is for you. So this is where you find the perfect trading package to match your goals and take your trading from good to great. So now let's be clear, here as WeMasterTrade, we know there's no one-size-fits-all in trading. Every trader is unique with different styles, risk tolerance and strategies. So that's why we offer multiple customizable packages to meet you exactly where you're on your trading journey. Whether you're aiming for high risk and high rewards, or you prefer the steady, methodical approach, there's something here for you. To break it down, I've got the awesome Ralph and Scarlett, two WeMasterTrade finance, and they both work closely with these packages and are here to give us the inside scoop on how to leverage each one till its full potential. So, alright, let's jump in. Ralph, you've been with WeMasterTrade for a while, and you've seen firsthand how these packages can evaluate a trader's experience. So can you kick things up by walking us through how both new and experienced trader can benefit from the package comparisons and why it is such a game-changing feature in WeMasterTrade experience?
Absolutely, Aidan. I really enjoy discussing the packages because it's where traders can truly customize their experience. The package comparison feature simplifies the process for traders to understand precisely what they are getting. When you visit the website, there's a detailed comparative overview of each package that includes information like the initial balance, the profit targets, the daily loss limit, and more. All the essential details are presented in a straightforward, easy to navigate table, and it's on structure to assist traders in selecting the best tool for their success. So let's talk about the standard package, one of the most popular options. This one is great for traders who have got some experience and are ready to level up. You start with an initial balance of up to $200,000, which gives you plenty of room to trade confidently and make strategic moves. The profit target is set at 6%, which is perfect for traders aiming for steady, sustainable growth, and the daily loss cap is 4%, so you got enough breathing room to ride out market swings without stretching too much. It's an awesome balance between opportunity and security.
So that sounds like a perfect stepping stone for traders looking to level up without jumping in too deep or too quickly. A $200,000 balance and a solid 6% profit target give you a ton of flexibility to build momentum. But for those who are looking for something a bit more thrilling, let's talk about the 5-10-10 package, right? I heard that this one is a favorite, for high risk, high reward traders. And what makes the 5-10-10 such a standout?
Yeah, about the 5-10 package. Now we're talking big plays. Like the standard package, you start with $200,000, but this package is for those traders who are ready to take on bigger risks for bigger rewards. The daily loss cap is 5%, giving you more flexibility in how you handle the market. But here's the kicker, the profit target jumps to 10%. This is the perfect for traders who have confidence in their strategies and are looking to make those major gains. It's all about having a higher tolerance for risk in exchange for bigger payouts.
So that's what I'm talking about, a 5% loss cap and a 10% profit target. That's definitely for traders who aren't afraid to go big and swing for the fences. But what if someone looking, for something that is more similar and more relaxed, maybe that they want, without all the pressures of hitting specific profit targets? So Scott, I've heard about the 5-10-0 package, so can you break it down for us?
Absolutely, the 5-10-0 package is ideal for traders who want a straightforward, no-nonsense approach. You start with 100,000 balance, but here's the cool part, there's no profit target. You can trade freely without the stress of hitting specific percentages. It's just you, the market, and your strategies. The daily loss caps stay at 5%, giving you some structure, but the beauty here is that it allows traders to focus on consistency without worrying about specific goals.
So that sounds like a dream for traders who just want to trade without all of the restrictions. Total freedom, no pressure, just here in the market. Now Scott, what about those traders who want a bit more control over their risk management but still want to play in that high stakes arena? What can you tell us about the 5-10-10 no PC package?
Well, the 5-10-10 no PC package is perfect for traders who want more control over their trades. You still get the $200,000 starting balance at a 5% daily loss cap, but the flexibility is the real selling point here. This package allows you to tweak and adjust your trading parameters to match your style and risk management preferences. Whether you're reacting to market changes or want to experiment with different strategies, this package gives you the freedom to adapt without losing the safety net of risk management.
So flexibility and control in a volatile market, that's huge. I love how these packages are giving traders more way to adapt and grow. Now that we've covered a lot, but I've been hearing whisper about something really special, the custom package. So Ralph, tell us, what makes this one, so exciting?
Okay, now the custom package is where things get really exciting. This is for the traders who want its own full control, full customization, and a massive starting balance. You get a jaw-dropping up to 1 million initial balance, and yes, you heard it right, $1 million. But that's just the beginning. The real beauty is that you can customize everything, even the daily loss limit, the overall loss limit, and even your profit targets. It's perfect for traders who know exactly what they are doing and want to craft a trading experience that matches their exact needs. It's the ultimate in freedom and control.
So, $1 million starting balance and the ability to customize your entire trading experience, I believe that's next level trading. And whether you are a high risk taker or a methodological trader, the custom package sounds like the ultimate playground for those who want to take their trading to the stratosphere. So alright traders, let's quickly recap whether you're just starting with the standard package or going bigger rewards with the 5-10-10 package, or choose to enjoy full freedom with the 5-10-0, taking control with 5-10-10 no PC, or just customize everything with the custom package. WeMasterTrade has the perfect option for you. So the only question is, which one is calling your name? So head over to the package comparison section in our website right now and check it out for yourself. We've got packages designed to fit every trader, no matter where you are in your trading journey. Let us know in the chat which package speaks to you, and our team is ready to help you get started. The futures of fun trading is in your hands, so let's make it happen. Alright traders, this is where the magic happens. We've talked about the packages and how you can jumpstart your trading journey with WeMasterTrade. But let's be real, success in trading isn't just about the package that you choose. It's also about the understanding and sticking to the rules. So the conditions that we've set here at WeMasterTrade are designed to not only keep you safe, but also help you grow and take your strategy to the next level. Now, whether you're just getting started or you've been trading for years, the conditions will act as your roadmap. So let's dive into the understanding these rules and how to get access to the game. So first on the list, and arguably one of the most important, the daily loss limit. So Ralph, I believe that you've been through it all, the highs, the lows. So can you kick things up by explaining to everyone how this daily loss limit works and why it's so crucial for managing risk?
Absolutely, Aiden. The daily loss limit is one of the most essential protection any trader can employ. It serves as a daily circuit breaker to prevent you from suffering significant losses on a challenging day. The concept is straightforward. There is a limit to how much you can lose in a single day of trading, and it's determined by the greater of true values, your account balance or your equity at the beginning of the day. So now let me break that down with an example so everyone understands it clearly. And the first example, let's say you got a balance of up to $105,000, but due to some overtrades, your equity, which include floating profit and loss, is $107,000 at the start of the day. If you're working with a 4% daily loss limit, and that means you can lose up to $4,000. If your equity is falling below $103,000, you're done trading for the day. And for the second example, on the flip side, if your balance is $100,000 and your equity is $99,000, the same 4% loss limit would mean your account would be liquidated if your equity dips below $96,000. The point is that daily loss limit is there to make sure a bad day doesn't wipe you out completely. It's about protecting your account and giving you the chance to regroup and come back stronger in the next day.
Got it. So it's like an insurance policy for your trading day. You hit that limit and boom, you're out before things get out of hand. But what happens if a trader accidentally crosses that eye? So can they keep trading?
Well, great question, Aiden. And no, if you breach the daily loss limit, your account is automatically liquidated. And on your open position will be closed and you won't be able to trade again until the next day or unless you buy a new trading package. So here's the thing, this liquidation is automatic and immediate. It's designed that way to prevent further losses. But here's a word of caution, market fluctuation can sometimes cause you to lose a bit more than the limit, depending on how fast the market is moving.
Oof, so it's a hard stop, definitely something traders should keep an eye on to avoid. And now that we understand what the daily loss limit is and what happens when it hits, so the next question is how to avoid hitting the limit in the first place. So Scholar, you've been in the trading transit for years, so can you add some practical strategy that trader can use to stay within the daily loss limit? We're all ears.
You got it, Aiden. Staying within the daily loss limit is all about being disciplined and following a solid risk management plan. Here are the few key strategies that I have worked wonder for me and countless other traders. First, I can't stress this enough. Always use a stop loss. I know it sounds simple, but it's absolutely critical. The stop loss ensures that if the market moves against you, you're out of the trade before the things get out of hand. Think of it as your safety net.
So that's like setting up guardrails in a mountain road. It's better to stop it before you go off the cliff.
Exactly, Aiden. It's that extra layer of protection. Now, the second strategy is position sizing. This is where a lot of traders slip up. You should never risk too much on a single trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade. This way, even if the trade doesn't go your way, you're still far from hitting your daily loss limit, and you can keep trading without any major setbacks.
So, so true, it's like building your defense so you don't put everything in one play, right? You spread out the risk. Makes sense, but what about those moments when traders feel tempted to chase after the losses? Trying to get it all back in one trade?
Well, that's a big one, Aiden. Chasing losses is one of the biggest mistakes traders make, especially newer ones. This brings me to my third strategy: don't chase losses. If you're having a tough day, take a step back. The market will always be there tomorrow. If you start chasing losses, trying to recover too quickly, it's easy to make emotional decisions that lead to even bigger losses. And before you know it, you'll hit that daily loss limit and you're out for the day.
So true, it's like trying to sprint when you already winded. You're more likely to make a mistake. Now, Scarlett, these strategies sound spot on, but how do traders stay mentally strong when things aren't going their way? What keeps them falling into that emotional trap of chasing losses?
Well, it's all about the mindset, Aiden. Trading is just as much a mental game as it's a number game. You got to stay calm and focused. One trick is to always have a trading plan before you even place a trade. That way, when things get tough, you stick to the plan and avoid making impulsive moves. And if you find yourself getting emotion, just stop, take a break, and step away from the screen and reset your mindset.
So thank you, Scarlett, for those incredible tips on managing daily loss. Now let's switch gear to one of the more important elements of the WeMasterTrade experience. So I would say that is the maximum loss limit. So Ralph, can you break it down for us?
Of course, and the maximum loss limit is a vital rule that's often overlooked, but it's also extremely important. Essentially, it's there to prevent traders from experiencing catastrophic losses by capping how much you can lose across the life of your trading account. So let me break it down. The maximum loss limit ensures your account equity level falls below 94% of its initial balance. So if you start with a balance of $50,000 and your account will be closed once your equity falls to about $47,000. That's a total allowable loss of $3,000. However, it's not all bad news. If you start making profits, the limit adapts and giving you more breathing room as your equity grows. So for example, if your account balance increases to $52,000, you now make $2,000 in profit. Your new maximum loss limit would then allow you to lose up to $5,000 as you essentially locking in those gains. And the maximum loss limit acts as a long-term safeguard. It's designed not only to protect your account but also encourage disciplined trading by setting boundaries. The goal is to ensure you don't dig yourself into a hole that's too deep to recover from. So here are a few specific examples. For the first case, let's say your account balance starts at $50,000, but your equity drops to $49,000 due to some market losses. You are allowed to lose another $2,000 before your account hits the critical $47,000 threshold and is automatically liquidated. And for the second case, now if you're doing well and your equity rises to $51,000, you got some extra cushion, and at this point you are allowed to lose up to $4,000 before your account hits the same $47,000 limit. So to figure out where you stand, the maximum loss limit is calculated by adding the sum of your closed positions and factoring in any open positions that are still running. Your trading dashboard will show two key metrics: the max permitted loss, which is how much you are allowed to lose overall, and the remaining loss, which is the loss left before your account is closed. So now what happens if you hit that limit? Well, unfortunately, if your equity hits the maximum loss limit, the system will automatically close your account for the day. All your open positions will be liquidated, whether they are profitable or not, and you will be unable to trade for the rest of the day. And to resume trading, you would need to purchase a new trading package.
Thanks, Rob. That definitely helps clarify the nuts and bolts of the maximum loss limit. So it's kind of like a safety buffer, isn't it? It's there to keep you from spiraling out of control, especially when the markets get volatile. Now, I imagine this rule impacts different traders in different ways, whether you are a cautious trader trying to keep their risk low or a more aggressive trader trying to maximize profits. This limit is one of those things you can't afford to ignore. And now let's bring in Scarlett, our risk management expert. So Scarlett, what do you think about, are the most important or the most common mistakes trader makes when it comes to managing their maximum loss limit? And more importantly, what strategies can trader implement to ensure that they never get too close to it?
Great question, Aidan. You're absolutely right. No matter what type of trader you are, ignoring the maximum loss limit can be costly. In fact, it's one of those things that sneak up on traders who aren't paying attention on the long-term picture. And I say the most common mistake is underestimating how quickly cumulative losses can add up over multiple trades. Here are some key strategies I recommend to stay well within your maximum loss limit. The first thing is to set stop loss order on every trade. This is your first line of defense. Setting a stop loss means you're deciding in advance how much you are willing to lose on a particular trade. This system will automatically close your trade if it hits that number, which protects you from letting a losing trade get out of hand. For example, if you're only willing to lose $500 on a particular trade, you set that as your stop loss, and you won't have to worry about it spiraling.
So I love that. So putting a safety valve on each trade, when you look at that stop loss, it's out of your hand.
Exactly, Ada. It's all about discipline. And the second one is to manage your position sizing. This is a big one. Often, traders, especially newer ones, get carried away by putting too much capital into a single trade. But when you risk too much, you also risk losing a larger percentage of your account if the trade goes south. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your total account balance on any single trade. For example, if your account balance is $50,000, you should only risk about $500 to $1,000 per trade. This keeps your potential losses manageable and well within your limits.
That makes total sense. You're not putting all of your eggs in one basket, and it gives you more room to breathe, right?
Well, exactly. It's all about spreading the risk so you don't take too big on a hit on any one trade. And the third one is to monitor your account equity regularly. This may sound basic, but it's incredibly important to keep an eye on your account equity throughout the day. It's easy to get caught up in the market's highs and lows, but you should always be aware of how close you are to your maximum loss limit. Your dashboard makes it easy to track your remaining loss, so use it. If you see you're getting close to the limit, it's time to take a step back and reevaluate your strategy.
So it's almost like watching a field go. You don't want to be driving on fumes without knowing it.
Well, yeah. Exactly, no one wants to get stuck on the side of the road. So the next strategy is to create and stick to the trading plan. Having a well thought out trading plan is one of the most powerful tools in the trader's arsenal. This plan should outline not only your profit goals but also your risk management rules. For example, if you have a few losing trades in a row, does your plan tell you to take a break, reassess, or change your strategy? The idea is to have a preset series of rules so you don't make impulsive decisions on the heat of the moment.
So it's like having a roadmap where you know where you're going and you have the contingency plans for when things don't go as expected.
Well, exactly. The market can be unpredictable, but a solid plan keeps you grounded. And the next strategy is to regularly review and adjust your strategy. Well, even the best laid plans needs to be reviewed and tweaked from time to time. If you find that you are approaching your maximum loss limit too often, it may be a sign that your risk management strategy needs adjusting. Maybe you need to tighten your stop losses, or to reduce your trade size. The key is to stay flexible and adapt to changing market conditions while always keeping your risk in check.
So that's great advice, Scarlett. It's all about constant improvement. You can't just set it and forget. You have to be ready to adjust based on your results and the market.
Well, absolutely. Trading is dynamic and your strategies should be too.
So thank you for the fantastic breakdown of the maximum loss limit, Raven Scarlett. So next up we're going to enter a short break, and after that we're going to discover some more trading rules that WeMasterTrade and the promotion plans that we are currently running.
WeMasterTrade. Are you struggling with trading in the financial markets? Losing money as well as losing sleep every night because you don't have the time for research to keep yourself updated. The lack of experience and knowledge is the reason for your poor performance. Don't worry, I might be able to help you.
How? And who are you?
They call me WeCopyTrade. Now let me introduce you to John and his friends. They are all professional traders. They spend years trading, investing, and researching the market.
Okay, so how can you help me?
With my help, you can now connect to John and his friends and copy all their strategies.
Oh, how will this work exactly?
Oh, it's very simple. You just begin to follow John or any trader that you trust. If that trader opens a trade, that same trade will be opened in your account. And if that trade makes a profit, yours will too.
But I want to remind you that I don't have the time and experience.
You don't need to have any experience to copy trade. You can spend your time doing your favorite activities while John and his friends are doing all the work for you. You can manage your risk and view your trading records anywhere on your laptop or mobile device.
This is amazing. How do I start?
You can start by opening an account with WeCopyTrade. WeCopyTrade is a platform that allows you to connect and copy the top successful traders. WeCopyTrade makes sure all your trading transactions are fair. WeCopyTrade will ensure that you can enjoy life and not worry about making big trading decisions yourself. If that sounds good to you, what are you waiting for? Start copy trading with WeCopyTrade now. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trade responsibly. WeCopyTrade is a third-party platform, not a financial advice or a broker. Copy trading carries risks and your capital may be affected. WeCopyTrade.
What is the Multi-Level Affiliate Partner Program? This is a 3-level passive commission program from WeCopyTrade. And here is an example. Jack is an affiliate partner of WeCopyTrade. Jack will look for new customers. Every time there is a direct customer, Jack will receive a 15% commission added to his account. And this is Leo. Leo is a sub-affiliate partner of Jack, level 1 partner of Jack. And this is Eric. Eric is a sub-affiliate partner of Leo as well as level 2 partner of Jack. After finding some sub-affiliate partners, Jack will receive commission from Leo and Eric. After Leo gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 10% on the amount of commission Leo receives. After Eric gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 1% on the amount of commission Eric receives. Thanks to the system of multi-level commission, Jack will always receive a great deal of commission every time AP subs successfully attract new customers. WeCopyTrade, the only platform that pays passive commissions at 3 levels to affiliate partners.
WeCopyTrade. John always wanted to invest, but because he works full-time at the office, he never found enough time to learn how to do it. He missed out on investing in Amazon. He missed out on investing in Bitcoin and gold.
Because he didn't understand the market. But now, he started trading because he found WeCopyTrade.
It is a social network for traders that allows him to skip the years of learning the financial market and copy the most successful investors. He checks top profiles to see their success rates, returns, and risk assessment, and then he chooses to copy. It automatically mirrors all of their investments. So if they get a 10% return, he gains a 10% return as well. Investment news will be updated and shared on the Traders community and social network so that he can keep track of all the market information.
Trade.
At WeCopy Fintech Inc., we are proud to be one of the leading companies in the field of marketing and technology. Established in 2024, our mission is to provide breakthrough marketing and technology solutions, helping customers improve business efficiency and reach their target audience in the most effective way. Our motto is quick, economical, and efficient. We provide a wide range of services from UI/UX design, web development, mobile development to IT outsourcing. We are proud to have cooperated with hundreds of customers globally, bringing remarkable success to their projects. Let WeCopy Fintech Inc. make a difference for you. Contact us today.
WeCopyTrade. Are you struggling with trading in the financial markets? Losing money as well as losing sleep every night because you don't have the time for research to keep yourself updated. The lack of experience and knowledge is the reason for your poor performance. Don't worry. I might be able to help you.
How? And who are you?
They call me WeCopyTrade. Now let me introduce you to John and his friends. They are all professional traders. They spend years trading, investing, and researching the market.
Okay, so how can you help me?
With my help, you can now connect to John and his friends and copy all their strategies.
Oh, how will this work exactly?
Oh, it's very simple. You just begin to follow John or any trader that you trust. If that trader opens a trade, that same trade will be opened in your account. And if that trade makes a profit, yours will too.
But I want to remind you that I don't have the time and experience.
You don't need to have any experience to copy trade. You can spend your time doing your favorite activities while John and his friends are doing all the work for you. You can manage your risk and view your trading records anywhere on your laptop or mobile device.
This is amazing. How do I start?
You can start by opening an account with WeCopyTrade. WeCopyTrade is a platform that allows you to connect and copy the top successful traders. WeCopyTrade makes sure all your trading transactions are fair. WeCopyTrade will ensure that you can enjoy life and not worry about making big trading decisions yourself. If that sounds good to you, what are you waiting for? Start copy trading with WeCopyTrade now. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trade responsibly. WeCopyTrade is a third-party platform, not a financial advice or a broker. Copy trading carries risks and your capital may be affected. WeCopyTrade.
What is the Multi-Level Affiliate Partner Program? This is a 3-level passive commission program from WeCopyTrade. And here is an example. Jack is an affiliate partner of WeCopyTrade. Jack will look for new customers. Every time there is a direct customer, Jack will receive a 15% commission added to his account. And this is Leo. Leo is a sub-affiliate partner of Jack, level 1 partner of Jack. And this is Eric. Eric is a sub-affiliate partner of Leo as well as level 2 partner of Jack. After finding some sub-affiliate partners, Jack will receive commission from Leo and Eric. After Leo gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 10% on the amount of commission Leo receives. After Eric gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 1% on the amount of commission Eric receives. Thanks to the system of multi-level commission, Jack will always receive a great deal of commission every time AP subs successfully attract new customers. WeCopyTrade, the only platform that pays passive commissions at 3 levels to affiliate partners.
WeCopyTrade.
John always wanted to invest, but because he works full-time at the office, he never found enough time to learn how to do it. He missed out on investing in Amazon. He missed out on investing in Bitcoin and gold.
Because he didn't understand the market. But now, he started trading because he found WeCopyTrade.
It is a social network for traders that allows him to skip the years of learning the financial market and copy the most successful investors. He checks top profiles to see their success rates, returns, and risk assessment, and then he chooses to copy. It automatically mirrors all of their investments. So if they get a 10% return, he gains a 10% return as well. Investment news will be updated and shared on the traders community and social network so that he can keep track of all the market information.
WeMasterTrade.
At WeCopy Fintech Inc., we are proud to be one of the leading companies in the field of marketing and technology. Established in 2024, our mission is to provide breakthrough marketing and technology solutions, helping customers improve business efficiency and reach their target audience in the most effective way. Our motto is quick, economical, and efficient. We provide a wide range of services from UI/UX design, web development, mobile development to IT outsourcing. We are proud to have cooperated with hundreds of customers globally, bringing remarkable success to their projects. Let WeCopy Fintech Inc. make a difference for you. Contact us today.
WeMasterTrade. Are you struggling with trading in the financial markets? Losing money as well as losing sleep every night because you don't have the time for research to keep yourself updated. The lack of experience and knowledge is the reason for your poor performance. Don't worry. I might be able to help you.
How? And who are you?
They call me WeCopyTrade. Now let me introduce you to John and his friends. They are all professional traders. They spend years trading, investing, and researching the market.
Okay, so how can you help me?
With my help, you can now connect to John and his friends and copy all their strategies.
Oh, how will this work exactly?
Oh, it's very simple. You just begin to follow John or any trader that you trust. If that trader opens a trade, that same trade will be opened in your account. And if that trade makes a profit, yours will too.
But I want to remind you that I don't have the time and experience.
You don't need to have any experience to copy trade. You can spend your time doing your favorite activities while John and his friends are doing all the work for you. You can manage your risk and view your trading records anywhere on your laptop or mobile device.
This is amazing. How do I start?
You can start by opening an account with WeCopyTrade. WeCopyTrade is a platform that allows you to connect and copy the top successful traders. WeCopyTrade makes sure all your trading transactions are fair. WeCopyTrade will ensure that you can enjoy life and not worry about making big trading decisions yourself. If that sounds good to you, what are you waiting for? Start copy trading with WeCopyTrade now. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trade responsibly. WeCopyTrade is a third-party platform, not a financial advice or a broker. Copy trading carries risks and your capital may be affected. WeCopyTrade.
What is the Multi-Level Affiliate Partner Program? This is a 3-level passive commission program from WeCopyTrade. And here is an example. Jack is an affiliate partner of WeCopyTrade. Jack will look for new customers. Every time there is a direct customer, Jack will receive a 15% commission added to his account. And this is Leo. Leo is a sub-affiliate partner of Jack, level 1 partner of Jack. And this is Eric. Eric is a sub-affiliate partner of Leo as well as level 2 partner of Jack. After finding some sub-affiliate partners, Jack will receive commission from Leo and Eric. After Leo gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 10% on the amount of commission Leo receives. After Eric gets new customers and receives commission, Jack will also get 1% on the amount of commission Eric receives. Thanks to the system of multi-level commission, Jack will always receive a great deal of commission every time AP subs successfully attract new customers. WeCopyTrade, the only platform that pays passive commissions at 3 levels to affiliate partners.
WeCopyTrade.
John always wanted to invest, but because he works full-time at the office, he never found enough time to learn how to do it. He missed out on investing in Amazon. He missed out on investing in Bitcoin and gold.
Because he didn't understand the market. But now, He started trading because he found WeCoppyTrade.
It is a social network for traders that allows him to skip the years of learning the financial market and copy the most successful investors. He checks top profiles to see their success rates, returns, and risk assessment, and then he chooses to copy. It automatically mirrors all of their investments. So if they get a 10% return, he gains a 10% return as well. Investment news will be updated and shared on the traders community and social network so that he can keep track of all the market information.
WeCoppyTrade.
At WeCopy Fintech Inc., we are proud to be one of the leading companies in the field of marketing and technology. Established in 2024, our mission is to provide breakthrough marketing and technology solutions, helping customers improve business efficiency and reach their target audience in the most effective way. Our motto is quick, economical, and efficient. We provide a wide range of services from UI/UX design, web development, mobile development to IT outsourcing. We are proud to have cooperated with hundreds of customers globally, bringing remarkable success to their products.
Welcome back, traders. So next up, we're going to dive into another crucial aspect of effective trading, the risk consistency rule. So this rule is key to maintaining both stability and long-term profitability in your trading account. So Scholar, I know that you've got a great way of explaining it. So can you walk us through what the risk consistency rule is and why it is so important for traders to follow?
Sure thing, Aidan. The risk consistency rule is all about ensuring that you manage your risk in a disciplined, consistent manner. It limits the risk per trade to no more than 2% of your initial account balance. This is really important because it prevents long swings in your equity and helps mitigate the risk of significant losses due to sudden market movements or unexpected events. So let's break it down a little more. First, the maximum risk per trade idea. You shouldn't risk more than 2% of your initial balance on any single trade idea. This includes any floating losses, so you need to factor in all potential exposure. The second is trade idea definition. Multiple trades on the same asset in the same direction are considered a single trade idea. On the other hand, trades on different assets or in opposite direction are treated as separate ideas. For example, if you open several positions on gold buy, they could count as one trade idea, and the combined risk must remain under 2%. But if you have gold buy and GBP JPY sell, they are treated as two separate ideas, each with their own 2% risk limit. Following this rule smooths out your equity curves, encourages disciplined trading, and most importantly, reduces the chances of massive losses.
So thanks, Colette. That's really a helpful overview. Now let's move through this back to our audience for a second. Traders, have any of you ever found it tricky to do the risk consistency rule? So how does it feel to have those things in place? Does it ever get in the way of your trading journey? So now back to you, Raf. Could you summarize the key takeaways from the risk consistency rule? What should every trader remember? Their risk management on point.
Well, absolutely. The main points to remember about the risk consistency rule are: firstly, is the risk per trade idea. Stick to risking no more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea. This keeps potential losses manageable and ensure you don't risk too much on any one trade. The second thing is single trade idea. If you are opening multiple trades on the same assets and in the same direction, they count as one trade idea, so your combined risk must stay within that 2%. And the last one, separate trade idea. The trade on different assets or in different directions are considered separate ideas. Each of these can have its own 2% risk, but be mindful to keep track of them. So why does this matter? Firstly, it stabilizes your equity curve by preventing huge swings in your account balance. Secondly, it promotes discipline by encouraging traders to think more carefully about their risk. And the last thing, most importantly, it reduces the risk of major losses that can really hurt your overall performance. So in short, adhering to this rule helps keep your trading account safer and support long-term success.
So great, Rob. Now I know that some of you might be wondering how to make sure that you are actually stick to this rule. So let's shift gears and get into some practical strategies for making it easier to follow. So Scarlett, could you share a few tips on how a trader can stay disciplined and avoid breaking the consistency rule?
Of course, Aidan, sticking to the risk consistency rule takes some planning and discipline, but it's totally doable with the right strategies in place. Here are the few key tips. First, define risk limits. First and foremost, clearly set your maximum risk per trade idea to stay within the 2% limit. You can use risk management tools and or calculator to help with this. Most platforms have built-in tools that allow you to automate risk limit.
So I would say that, when it comes to that, and that's a really good point, having that automation takes a lot of the pressure up, right? No need to constantly double check the platform does the heavy lifting.
Well, exactly. It makes so much easier to stick to your risk limits when the platform is handling the numbers for you. The second one is to monitor position sizing. It's also important to keep track of the total risk across multiple trades on the same asset. For instance, if you are open several positions on gold buy, make sure the combined risk of all those trades doesn't exceed 2%. This is where traders sometimes slip out. They often multiple positions without realizing that combined they're risking more than they can tend.
So even though the trades are technically separate, if they're on the same assets, you've got to look at them as one entity, right?
Exactly. I don't treat them as one idea because they're all exposed to the same market movement. The third one is to separate trade ideas. Speaking to the different trades, it's equally important to treat trades on a different assets or in opposite direction as separate ideas. This way you can manage each trade's risk individually without exceeding the 2% rules on any single trade.
So right, you could be running a gold buy and a GBY sells at the same time without violating the rule, as long as you manage the risk for each one separately.
Yeah, well, exactly. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on the risk for each idea individually. The next one is to risk management tools. I also recommend using risk management features that many trading platforms offer, like automatic position sizing or stop-loss orders. These tools can help control your exposure and prevent you from overextending your risk.
So I imagine these tools really help prevent those moments when you are tempted to take on too much risk in the hit at the moment, right?
Absolutely. It takes the emotion out of the equation and helps you stay disciplined. The next one is to regularly review trades. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly review your trading activity. This is something a lot of traders neglect, myself included, at times. Reviewing your trades helps ensure that your risk per trade idea remains within the set limits. And if you notice any patterns or areas where you are taking on too much risk, you can adjust your strategy to stay compliant.
So it sounds like a regular check-in or regular, crucial to spotting potential issues before they become big problems.
Exactly, Adam. It's all about staying proactive.
Great tip, Scott. So now we'll moving on to our streamlined payout process. So at WeMasterTrade, we believe in making it as easy as possible for you to access your hard-earned profit. So we offer various options for receiving payouts, including bank transfer, PayPal, and cryptocurrency like USDT. The choice is yours, ensuring flexibility and convenience.
And our payout process is both fast and secure. After you make a profit and met the payout requirements, you can simply log into your account, request a payout, and follow the on-screen instructions. Our team will process your request promptly, and in most cases, You can expect to receive your fund within 24 hours. It's that simple. And if you ever run into any issues or have questions about your payout, our customer service team is always here to help. You can reach us via live chat, email, or through our support tickets system on the website. We are committed to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for all our traders.
That transparency is, like a really big part of our philosophies. That's why we're always here to answer any questions you might have about your account or the payout process. So feel free to ask in the comments and we'll address your queries as we go. So next up, we would like to introduce you to one of our very powerful tools, the financial instrument list of WeMasterTrade. So I hope that Scarlett could help us understand more about this.
Okay, Aidan, so welcome to the simple overview page of WeMasterTrade. Here you can explore a comprehensive list of financial instruments available for trading, including cryptocurrencies, Forex, stocks, metals, energies, and indices. Our platform offers clients the opportunity to trade with demo accounts using virtual funds, and we also utilize exclusive algorithm to copy your trades to our live trading account. On this page, you will find detailed specifications for each trading symbol, including contract size, margin percentage, leverage option, and commission details. It's important to note that due to market fluctuation, some symbols may not always be available for trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this page serves as a valuable resource to help you make informed trading decisions, explore the best spread in the industry, and take your trading to the next level.
So I would say that our vision is to foster a thriving community of elite professional traders, positioning WeCapiTrade.com as the go-to platform for anyone serious about advancing their career. Whether you're just getting started or have years of experience under your belt, we are committed to providing opportunities and resources that help you succeed at every stage of your trading journey. At WeMasterTrade, we understand that each trader needs are different, and we're here to support you with tools, insights, and personalized packages that cater to your specific trading goals. And if you are ready to take your trading to the whole new level, you definitely want to stick around to hear about the exciting offers we'll put up. The new promotion plans we'll be unveiling today is specifically designed to help traders get more out of their with WeMasterTrade and WeCapiTrade.com. So we're focused on creating more opportunities for growth, increased profitability, and long-term success, no matter where you are on your trading journey.
And with that said, let's jump into our first promotion, which is exclusively available to our WeMasterTrade affiliate partners, the AB0 package. This package is designed to help you unlock even greater potential with WeMasterTrade, offering unique benefits and features that can really boost your performance. The AB0 package presents an incredible opportunity tailored specifically for our WeMasterTrade affiliate partners. Here are the key details about this package. The package is named AB0, costs just $3 and falls under the 510 category and comes with an account balance of $30,000. And to qualify for this package, customers need to complete the KYC process and sign up for our AB program, which helps create a secure and compliant trading experience for all participants. When it comes to the payment terms, profit sharing allows you to earn up to 50% of your profits. For instance, if you generate a 10% profit amounting to $3,000, your potential share could be up to $1,500. You can acquire as many packages as you wish, however, only one can be active at a time. After closing an account, you are eligible for a new package, and there are no limits on the number of payments you can receive, but keep in mind that account hitting the payment threshold cannot withdraw funds until certain customer referral conditions are satisfied. This package is a fantastic way to kickstart your trading journey with a significant balance while minimizing your initial investment, making it perfect for those wanting to explore our platform with reduced financial risk.
So next up we have our Trade Big Pay Small promotion, a fantastic option for those traders who want to maximize their capital with a minimal initial investment. So Scarlett will help us learn more about this promotion.
Yes, our next promotion is Trade Big Pay Small, allows you to purchase a capital package valued at $100,000 for just $250. Yes, you heard that correctly, $100,000 for only $250. This is an incredible opportunity to maximize your trading potential without a hefty upfront investment. Here is how to take advantage of this amazing offer. First, you need to log into your WeMasterTrade account and navigate to the main page. Once there, click on Customize Package. You'll then be prompted to select the type of account you want to open, whether it's crypto, Forex, or stocks. After making your choice, enter $100,000 as your initial balance. To ensure you retain this special offer, you should not to select any add-ons during this process. Finally, complete the payment to finalize your package. And remember, this offer isn't limited to just $100,000. With WeMasterTrade, you have the option to start with an initial balance of up to $1 million for only 0.25% of the capital amount. This flexibility allows you to scale your trading endeavors significantly while keeping your initial investment low. So don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.
So now moving on to one of our most popular promotions, the BOGO buy one get one for free offer. So this is an incredible opportunity for traders who want to maximize their trading power without additional cost. So Scarlett will show us how it works. Scarlett, can you help me with this?
Yes. So when you purchase a $50,000 trading account, you will receive an additional 25%. $25,000 account absolutely free. This gives you the opportunity to enhance your trading experience with even more capital at your disposal. So there's no waiting period. Your account will be funded instantly, allowing you to start trading right away. And you can enjoy a daily drawdown limit of 4% and a maximum drawdown limit of 6%. Additionally, the profit target is set at 6%. And which provides a balanced risk management and profit opportunities. And this offer is available to all traders regardless of their experience level. However, keep in mind that this is a limited time offer, so don't miss your chance to take advantage of it. And to claim any of these fantastic offers, follow these steps. First, you need to log into your account and purchase any package with a payment fee of at least $125. Next, you need to sign the online contract for the account you purchased. Then, contact our customer service team for assistance in verifying your payment and creating your account. And once everything is processed, your free account bonus will appear in the personalized section of your dashboard within 24 hours. All you need to do is log in and activate your account, and you'll be all set to start trading.
So I believe that you're as excited about these promotions as we are. Now let's hear from our traders about how these offers can benefit you and enhance your trading strategy. So Ralph, could you share your thoughts on how these promotions can be leveraged for maximum advantage?
Absolutely, Aidan. And the promotions we just discussed are excellent for traders of all experience level. And for example, the AB0 package is quite ideal for newcomers interested in our affiliate program, allowing them to get acquainted with our offerings while effectively managing their risk. And for the Trade Big Pay Small promotion, it is a great option for those looking to maximize their trading potential with minimal upfront investment. It provides an excellent opportunity to build confidence and gain experience with a substantial trading balance. Additionally, the BOGO, which is the buy one get one free offer, is a fantastic way to boost your trading capital without incurring extra cost. With an additional account, you can diversify for your trading strategies, making it especially beneficial for traders who want to test various approaches or hedge their position effectively. The instant funding and attractive drawdown limits further enhance this option, appealing to both new and experienced traders. And let's not forget about our special giveaway program. It's not just about receiving something for free, it's also about engaging with our community, sharing knowledge and staying inspired. The account available in this giveaway provides a wonderful way to start trading or to enhance your existing portfolio at no extra cost.
So thank you, Rob, for those incredible insights. And next up, we are going to today's economic analysis. So can our two traders help me with this?
Yes. Can you repeat that?
So we're going to have a deeper insight into today's economic calendar.
Okay. So to the calendar, well, the first one is RBA Golf Backlog Speak. So the RBA governor's speeches are closely monitored by economists and market participants for signals about future monetary policy direction. In particular, the speech may cover inflation trends, economic growth projection, labor market condition, and global economic risk. As a key figure in shaping Australian monetary policy, Governor Blacklock comments that can hint at whether the RBA will address its interest rates in the near future. So to the market reaction for Forex, the Australian dollar AUD often reacts sharply to changes in tone from the RBA governor. The hawkish tone suggesting rate hikes or ongoing monetary tightening could likely strengthen the AUD, as higher interest rates make the currency more attractive to foreign investors. Conversely, a dovish tone suggesting lower rates or easing would likely weaken the AUD, as it signals a less aggressive stand on inflation. For equity markets, if the speech suggests further tightening rate hikes, it could put pressure on Australian equities, especially growth sectors sensitive to higher borrowing costs. Financial stock might benefit from higher rates, while sectors like consumer discretionary could face headwinds. For bond market, bond yields could rise if the governor hints at more rate hikes, as investors adjust to expectation or tighter monetary policy. This could lower bond prices, especially for longer duration bonds. And for investor sentiments, any insight into the EBA outlooks on inflation or recession risk could guide both institutional and retail investors in their asset allocation. A cautious outlook from the RBA might lead to a flight to safety within the Australian market. The second one is employment strength at 7:30 a.m. AUD. Well, employment trend measures at the next job creation are lost within a specific period and serves as an indicator of economic health. In this report, Australia had a 15.9k drop, which is below the forecast of 25.2k and significantly lower than the previous 61.3k, potentially signaling a slowdown in labor market strength. And for market reaction and for the Forex, the AUD may weaken on lower than expected job numbers, as lower job growth would indicate a cooling economy and reduce the likelihood of further rate hikes. A lower rate expectation typically discourage foreign investors from holding AUD denominated assets. For equities, sectors heavily reliant on consumer spending, such as retail and consumer services, may be impacted by weaker employment data. If job growth remains sluggish, consumer spending may decline, hurting companies dependent on discretionary spending. For bond markets, bond prices might stabilize or even rise even if weak employment growth reduces the likelihood of further rate hikes. Investors may seek bonds as a safer investment if economic growth seems to be slowing. And for investors and economic sentiment, weak employment growth could signal broader economic challenges. For policymakers and economists, this data may prompt a re-evaluation of growth forecasts, as the labor market performance is often a precursor to broader economic health. Investors may also adopt a risk-off sentiment, reducing exposure to riskier assets.
So for the next event, the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate remains steady at 4.1%, which aligns with market expectation. A stable unemployment rate, however, may be interpreted differently depending on accompanying employment data. Paired with the lower employment change, it may indicate that the labor market is losing momentum. And for the reaction on the markets, first, since the unemployment rate aligns with expectation, its immediate impact on the AUD may be limited. However, when combined with the weak employment change, it could lead to a slightly bearish sentiment on the AUD. Secondly, the steady unemployment rate suggests that while job creation may be slowing, the existing job market remains stable. This could provide some reassurance to consumer-oriented sectors, though the low employment change might lead to caution. Lastly, for economists and policymakers, economists might view the stable unemployment rate as a sign of resilience, though they may be wary of declining job creation. Policymakers could see this as an evidence that the labor market is tightening but not overheated, reducing the urgency for further rate hikes. And the next event, the Core Producer Price Index, which is PPI for short, including volatile food and energy sector, reflect the inflation rate faced by producers. A higher core PPI reading indicates that production costs are rising, which could trickle down to consumer prices if companies pass the cost along. And the reaction on Forex, a higher than expected core PPI might strengthen the USD, as it could prompt the Federal Reserve to continue its tightening stance to combat inflation. A strong USD can attract global investors seeking currency stability amid inflation fears. For bonds markets, rising PPI can lead to a sell-off in bonds, as higher inflation reduces the real return on fixed income securities. This could push yield higher, especially in inflation is expected to perish. Equity, higher PPI number might affect corporate earnings, particularly in industry where it is difficult to pass on costs to consumer, e.g. consumer goods. Investors might shift away from growth stocks, which are more sensitive to interest rate increase. And lastly, economists' outlook. Persistent PPI growth would reinforce concern about inflation. Economists might adjust inflation forecasts upward and predict more aggressive Fed action, which could impact broader economic growth forecasts. And for the summary, these events collectively underscore a mixed economic outlook with inflationary pressure from PPI, a potentially cooling Australian labour market and stable US labour data. Market participants will likely be more cautious, favoring defensive assets if inflation persists. Forex market might see strengthening in the USD due to US data, while AUD might face downward pressure. The overall theme suggests that central banks might remain vigilant, prioritizing inflation control over economic expansion and affecting investment strategy globally. And that's all for the calendars today.
Thank you, Scarlett and Ralph, for this insightful session of today's economic analysis. And thank you also our clients for joining us today. And we hope that this session has been informative and that as you are excited about the opportunities at WeMasterTrade as we are. So remember to like, subscribe, and share this live stream with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platform to get more update, promotion, and trading tips. Stay tuned for our upcoming events and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, happy trading!
At WeCopy FinTech Inc., we are proud to be one of the leading companies in the field of marketing and technology.